for ages 3 and up. This is the 10th anniversary edition. It comes with the Hurricane Bubbler and 4 ounces of the Gazillion Bubbles solution. And if you've seen our other videos, you know that the Gazillion Bubbles really work. Now for this, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver and 6, that's right, 6 AA batteries. You might want to buy them when they're on sale. Buy one, get one free somewhere. It says also for best results, you should rinse all the components that come in contact with the bubble solution with warm water after each use to prevent buildup and clogging. So, what you do is you fill the reservoir with the bubble solution, you turn a switch on in the back, and you're supposed to get a backyard bubble storm. So, right here's the reservoir. Then you'll turn it on and these wands all spin and a fan blows out, and hopefully you will have that hurricane of bubbles. Let's take it out of the box, take it out back, and see what we can get. Okay, I've removed Gazillion Bubbles Hurricane from the packaging. And once you get everything out, you take this top off, and you have 4 Phillips head screws. You put in 6, that's right, 6 AA batteries. Put them on. There's an on and off switch right here on the back, and there's the fan. It recommends that you clean it with warm soap and water prior to use, so it's very simple. You just pop that off, take this out, rinse it, and then put it right back in, and it easily pops right back on there. This is the reservoir. We're going to add the bubbles now. And I have my helper right here. Put in the bubbles, please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Alright, bubbles in. Okay, and turn them on for me, please. There. There they go. Wow, so you had to use the entire bottle of Gazillion Bubbles for it to make a lot of bubbles. I recommend you buy backup bubbles. And as you can see, the Gazillion Bubbles really, really work. Look at you.